All right, guys, so we're here at the C8, DFW C8 Meetup, but we had some invaders right here, all these C7s. My goodness, what can you do? What can you do? Just kidding, all my friends, I wanted them all here. So super excited. T, Mike, Tim, Brian, all those guys, man. So happy to have them here. We love the people in the Corvette community. So we're gonna run around though. There's T
You
right
can't
there.
stop me. You can't stop me.
I know. I said we were invaded. Anyway, yes.
Turn around. Let's take a shot of your car. Should I have guided you in? Should I have helped you guide in a little bit?
Probably, dude. Look how poorly. But I always park
man,
poorly.
no.
Always.
Just say it was by design.
And it's diagonal.
It was
I
by
mean, it's
design.
always. Yeah, it is always. I do it on purpose. That way they know it's me.
Yes.
If I park straight, they won't know. So, all right, we're gonna run around and we're gonna see what cars are here today, and they're still coming in. We left Corvette World a little bit ago, and man, it was pretty packed there still. A lot of people still showing up, but we got drones up in the sky. I think the government's watching us. Anyway, but let's see what all's here today. All right, guys, so let's check out some of the cars here. And there's Brandon right there. That's his white pearl tri-coat C8 70th anniversary edition. But yeah, he's up here flying the drone. We have multiple drones. I don't know if you can see him up in the sky. It's a drone kind of day. And of course, Carlos's car again, Mike's car, I believe Darren's car right there. Yep, there's Darren. And Rob, Corvette World Rob, you guys know him. So that's everybody over on this one. But I wanted to, actually I showed this car in the last video at Corvette World, but my brain sometimes jumps ahead of stuff. This was done at Jekyll and Hyde, so check this out. It's the XPEL Stealth. Now I don't know if this is gonna come up in the video as far as how you can see it, but to me, it almost seems like it has less of the green, but I don't know. It's really different. Because when I was standing, you know, a handful of feet away and the sunlight was hitting it, it looked more like Corvette Racing Yellow. But now that I'm up close to it and there's a little bit of shadow on it, it looks like maybe it is, you know, really traditional, the Accelerate Yellow. But of course, this one's got the carbon flash painted roof on this convertible. And this is a 3LT because you can see all that beautiful stitching inside the window. And I'm not jealous. I'm not, I swear. Okay, maybe a lot. And once again, this is Bill's new twin turboed car. It's got the hash marks on it, but this is something I didn't notice earlier. Again, you know, I get in a hurry, but check that. I love that hood. Absolutely nice. And this is wrapped. So they did an amazing job wrapping this car because all of the inside of the doors are wrapped. There's only one spot that we think they just probably missed. It's right up inside here that is still white. Everything else has been fully I started to say fully expelled, but fully wrapped. But it looks really good. They definitely took this car apart when they did it as well to make sure they got all those spots. But anyway, once again, Orlando's Sebring Orange, C8, black racing stripes. It just doesn't get any better than that. Absolutely love those. The high wing Z51 and another, and I believe this one's also Sebring Orange. So another, and this is, I think his name is Rod. I don't know, you guys know I can't remember names, but look at this rapid blue. Holy cow, man. And with the edge yellow brake calipers, the forged wheels, beautiful, beautiful. Non-Z51, but man, this color really pops out here. You know, it's a little bit overcast today, and when it's overcast, man, things really look good. I like the sunlight. I love, you know, if I'm at the beach, but when I'm filming cars, I just think it's a little bit better. And once again, I believe this car was at Corvette World, and I cannot remember this color. I need to ask. But again, this dude has one of my favorite C8s. Holy cow. Ceramic matrix gray with the red dipped interior. That is nuts. 3LT on this thing. Golly, so beautiful. Absolutely one of my favorites yet. And he's got the competition seats in here. Woo! He's got it all. Absolutely got it all. Red Mist. Saw this one a couple weeks ago or a month ago at Corvettes and Coffee. Love these wheels. I forgot whose they are. The guy messaged me and I apologize. Again, names, they don't stick. It's amazing I can remember any colors. But hardtop convertible on this Z51, absolutely beautiful. It's got the edge red brake calipers on here. Very nice, very, very nice. Torch red. Now, of course, this is Jason's. Very great guy. Love Jason, man. But check this out. Look at this. He made with his 3D printer. This thing actually moves. It makes sound. It's insane. The guy does some amazing stuff. Of course, his car, red alert. Elkhart Lake Blue, one of the best colors ever. Z51, black brake calipers. Why is that always so hard for me to say? We have a ceramic matrix gray right here. Woo, carbon fiber. Check it out. Carbon fiber, 5 VM side skirts. It's got the bright red brake calipers. Carbon fiber right here on the front splitter. I don't know if these are AG Motorsport or who makes those, but very nice on this convertible. Man, look at all that carbon fiber. I'm wondering if this isn't AG Motorsport with all of that carbon fiber inside and out. Absolutely beautiful. And of course, check it out. This is probably, I need to ask him, yeah, but this is actually my friend. Where's he at? Where's Mark? He's the one I did the video with the Ford Lightning. That's his car. So just so you guys know, he is a V8 kind of guy. He's not an EV guy. Another red mist with Aero Lorry wheels, 5 VM front, splitter and side skirts. Beautiful Z51 spoiler and carbon flash on the back here. Beautiful spec, and I love those wheels. Chet does a great job at Aero Lorry with his wheels. Absolutely beautiful. Actually, C8, torch red. Very nice. Ooh, carbon fiber right there. Check it out, right there, all over the steering wheel. Actually, this guy, I can't remember where he got it, but I know he had a post on Facebook about all the carbon fiber. It looks great. Absolutely love it. Is that yours? Did you post on Facebook about yours? Love it. Looks great. Absolutely love it.
I tried not to go over the top. Everything's kind of subtle.
Yeah, went subtle, right? It looks great. I love it. I'm about to do some on my car as well.
See, I did all
Oh,
where all the plastic
man.
was. And,
Yes.
and here.
I saw the photos on there. Boy, you did. I love it.
Yeah.
I think it looks really
This
good.
was cool because that was all
Yes.
ugly plastic. So I
Yep.
did that.
And I love this one right here.
Yeah,
That just
this
looks
thing here
so
is what they
good.
call hydrocarbon.
Yes.
Because if the airbag comes out, this
Ah.
won't kill you. You won't get splinters. It's kind of a rubbery.
That's a very good
But
point.
it still looks good.
Yeah, you did wonderful. Look at it, right? Oh, it looks so good.
And then I did the center thing.
Yes, that is. I actually really like that. But that is a great idea because I know somebody mentioned it on Facebook. They're saying, well, if that was carbon fiber, you know, you're like, yep. Mm-hmm. So wonderful idea, man. So nice. You're definitely giving me ideas. It's time for me to move to carbon fiber. So, another Sebring orange, gotta love it, with the gray racing stripes. Absolutely amazing. And what's interesting is when I first saw this earlier, I thought it was a 5 VM side skirt, but that is a wrap or paint. I can't really tell. I don't want to touch it because it's not my car. Don't be that guy that comes to a car show and starts touching people's cars and sitting on it and all that. And there's my friend right there with his twin of mine, except that his is a 3LT. Mine is not. But I love Accelerate Yellow. I know it's not the most popular color, but I'm going to tell you, I love Accelerate Yellow. Elkhart Lake Blue, once again, with the Trident wheels, polished aluminum, non-C51. Check out that Rapid Blue. Is that insane or what? Such a pop on that color. Such a pop. It sounds like Darren's over there revving his car with the AWE exhaust. What's up? How are you? Been way too long, man. It has. I still see you on Facebook a lot, though. That's the only way I get to see you anymore is Facebook. Hey, but it's getting to be summer, so we'll be busy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Once again, as always, Tweeties, Forge Line wheels. He's got the 5 VM side skirts. I love this car. Rapid Blue, and he's got the Z06 wing on here. But this car is, like I said, it's going to be going away at some point. But man, check it out right here, Z06. Like I said, this is technically the C8, another hypersonic gray pulling in right now. And technically this is a C8 Meetup, the DFW C8 club on Facebook, but we love our C7s and the Sterling Blue right here, whole Grand Sport. The owner right there, he's a super nice guy. And there's Brian. Brian, once again.
Hello, TV land.
Hello, TV, exactly. And of course, you guys all know, he's been in my videos, his car's in the video, just like T's, all the time. Two of my just best friends, we love to hang out. This is like our crew right here, man, all along in here. But of course, once again, T's car, Tim's car, Mike's car, and I stink with names, so I forget his name. But we got another C7 Z06 over here, Arctic White, and it is a Z07? I don't want to say it's a Z07 because I'm not sure. It does have the right rotors, but it doesn't have the right aero, so it could have just been the option for the brakes. But man, I still love, if you love the C7 Z06, let me know down in the comments, because I gotta be honest with you, I know the technology may not be the same as it is on the C8, but the beauty of the C7 is there's no drop off. They're completely different, but they're both beautiful in their own way, in my opinion. So anyway, but that's gonna basically do it. We're having a great time out here. We may go inside and eat. I don't know, apparently they have a buffet, so we may go eat, maybe go somewhere else. But hey, listen, if you guys enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed, please consider. And anyway, till the next one, I hope everybody has a great week. Peace.